Hello everyone and welcome back to another NASCAR 21 Ignition paint booth video. Today we're going to be trying something different. As you could probably tell from the title, we are going to do a tutorial of how to do Chase Elliott's 2022 Hendrick Motorsports Chevy. So let's get into this. First we're obviously going to get a new car and just make it base. We're going to go to Chevy. Make a Chevy paint color. You're going to make the base color white. And then you're going to go, everything else you should probably be able to keep as the same, even the side. Even the, so actually no, you're going to make that one gray, like a lighter gray, and then that one a darker gray to make it a little bit more of a shiny thing, because that's what is on the real next-gen cars. Okay, next we're going to go to paint gloss, and we're going to make it like 80. But actually keep it at 50, because I'm going to end up changing it back. So the number, we're going to go to the number 1. And then we're going to do the style that is that one, because it's the easiest one to try to blend in. And you're going to make it a gray, so you're able to see it. I'm going to make it a pretty dark gray. You'll see me fidgeting around with it, but I'm going to make it a pretty dark gray. And no outline, no shadow. And we'll see how it fits in with the scheme later. So as you can see, I'm just making it so there's no shadow and no outline. There goes the shadow. It's about to be gone. And now I'm going to go to the outline, make it 0. Make the color a little bit brighter. And soon we will be going into a time lapse pretty soon, so you won't have to hear me talk for a good 10 minutes. So, and let's get into this time lapse. If you want, just to say, if you want to have it be slower, I have it sped up 8 times, so if you want to make it so it's exactly that much, that's what you can do, and I will be seeing you after this is done. and welcome back. I hope you liked the tutorial. I did change one thing. I forgot to add a little yellow stripe underneath the blue on the tail of the car. That shouldn't change too much, so I'm going to just change back to the car. And we're going to go to the Roval with a 2% race, so it's only like 2 laps. We're going to actually try to race this time. We're not going to go backwards. I'm just showing you that back part right there. I don't know why. I just forgot to do that. I think this looks good. And we are going to go get into the race. And this loading may take a while. Let me just thank you guys again for 1,000 views on a video. That is just crazy. I never thought that would happen. Also, I'm also doing the Roval because my next stop motion coming up, I hope you guys can all watch it, will be at the Roval. And watch out for that possible feud between Byron and Truex. Because, they had a little confrontation on track at the normal race. Now we're finally in. We're finally in the track, and we are gonna go racing. Chase Elliott is the perfect person to do this at the Roval because, in my opinion, he is the best at the Roval. So, here we go racing. We got Joey Logano and Quinn Hoof, I don't care how you say it. In front of us, I'm going to use him as a brake a little bit. Joey, I may wreck him for that later. I'm going to go try to catch up to him. Oh, hit the wall. I'm not the greatest at racing in this game, but we'll have to fight through it. Brake. Man, I thought I was going to destroy Quinn. How there? Oh, I passed Logano. Let's go. Here we go. Road course racing on this game is so much fun. Oh, using you as a brake, Quinn. Okay. This is where I always lose grip in the normal turn 1 and 2, but in this, I don't know what turns it is. But at the end of this turn, or corner, I usually lose a lot of grip. Lose a lot of grip going into the bus stop. See, I'm getting loose and hit the wall. Brake. Oh, I'm going to cut this corner a little bit. Oof. Cut this corner a little bit. Please, nobody be there. Oh, my God. I'm going to wreck him for that. Oh, my God. I don't care if anybody's there. Eric, happy retirement, but I may have accidentally just knocked you out of this race. And I was going to really race normal for once today. I'm going to destroy Logano for that. Hold on. I thought I wasn't going to turn around this race. I definitely am. I'm going to cut this corner. And finish this lap, so I at least finished 1 lap. But I'm turning around. I am getting Logano. This is it. I'm getting him. All the pack go by so I don't run into them. I'm going to have to probably slow down a little bit so I don't go all the way around before he even gets to the right area for me to hit him. Probably hit him around turn 1, 2 of the normal Charlotte Motor Speedway track. Gotta let off the gas a little bit, going like 80. I think, see some cars coming up over there. Yep, okay. Oh, I feel like if it's going fast enough, I would have launched. Is that Logano I see? I think that is. Is that? No. There it is. There you go. So he got what he deserved. There he is. Yeah, got you, Logano. I'm going to come hit you. Oh, God. Amarillo getting payback for me hitting him earlier. Well, I hope you guys liked that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my stop motion videos. Please, I'm going to get Amarillo back for that. Another little confrontation. Well, I'm just going to take out. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later.